Nanobabo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Mama Elvs Bagnet Chips for sending us their products and for us to try on. So originally guys, ito yung mga packaging nila. So it comes with their original flavor. Ayan. And then ito naman is yung kanilang mga spicy flavor. So I remember guys, yung mga ganitong klaseng mga pagkain, you can use it as, you know, an afternoon snacker, probably mga kutkutin, mga ganyan, mga finger food, mga appetizer. You can also use this. Pwede rin ito guys dun sa mga pansahog, like for example, you're cooking a chop suey, tokwat baboy, or you're cooking a soup such as munggo or sinabawan na mais, so mais sa Kapampangan. These are really perfect for those kinds of dishes and situations. So let me taste first yung kanilang original. Wow! So again, first off, it's so crispy. Para sa akin, for bagnet chips, tama-tama lang yung proportion or size nila for a single bite, parang mga ganyan. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, I wanna try yung kanilang suka. So, they are also available yung suka. Ayan o. Yung suka also comes in the original and yung kanilang spicy. So, yeah, this has been sitting for a while. Wow! So, yung suka nila guys, para siyang suka ng atsara. A little bit sweet. And then, napakabango ng mga add-on spices natin. Like yung, meron siyang luya, meron din siyang onion. Wow! So now this is their spicy variant naman. Tingnan naman natin to. So let me dip it to our suka. And then let me mention again, also available yung suka nila. This is a spicy flavor. If you notice guys, ito yung suka natin. Labuyo. We have some garlic. Meron din tayong onion as well as some peppers. So again guys, I hope you can hear it. Sobrang lutong ng mga bagnet chips natin. For me, yung spiciness level niya, because I love spicy food hindi sa ganun kaanghang. So most probably parang a kick of spiciness lang yung nilagay nila dito para ma-enjoy din ng mga ibang kumakain. At least hindi siya ganun sobrang tapang nung anghang natin. Wow, yum! I can't seem to stop. So, I mentioned earlier na ganito yung original packaging nila. So, this is sold individual package. Now, if you notice guys, meron tayong mga box dito. So, they are also considering mga packaging na ganito. So, you can consider them as a gift. You can order in these kinds of packaging, mga boxes natin. I guess for a more customized experience sa mga products natin, you can contact them para malaman natin kung paano pa nila pwedeng i-package yung gusto natin or desire natin for our products. So yeah, again, thank you so much Mama Elvs for sending us your bagnet chips. Now for more information, we're gonna flash their fan page as well as their Instagram page para po makontak nyo sila. So again, make sure to check out their fan page and contact them immediately. Alright, so there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay home, stay safe. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. Bye guys.